Oh no! The river dam is completely clogged with debris. The water pressure is critical. We need heavy lifting and engineering now. Pups, we need to stabilize the banks. AJ, Blaze, we need you to calculate the precise removal force.
This is a huge mess. The water looks terrible. We need to clear this blockage safely.
The pile is unstable. If we pull too hard, the whole dam could give way.
Monster math time. Transforming to max power. Excavator mode activated. Let's clear this trash safely. Netting and sandbags deployed. We've secured the lower bank, Ryder.
Only scoop 500 kilograms at a time, Blaze. Must not shift the pressure balance.
Got it, AJ. Precision loading. Look at that teamwork. We'll have this dam cleared in no time. Let's keep blazing. Gross! But this aluminum can be recycled. Separate the good from the gunk. Green means go!
Ryder, thermal scan shows stress building on the far left. Alert, Blaze.
I'm diverting traffic to that area.
Counterforce applied. Recalculating the pressure wave to compensate. Use the 15-degree deflection angle. Pressure stabilized. Marshall, prepare for a controlled flush. Only 10% volume. Opening fire. Just a small burst. Get that gunk out.
Flow rate is nominal. Blockage cleared. Clean water restored.
Yeah! We did it! No more polluted river flow. Monster math saved the day. All trash sorted. And my paws are still dry. Green means go. Cleanup time. Everyone back to HQ for debriefing.
The river is flowing free. Rougher. See, Ryder? That precise torque calculation saved the dam.
Amazing work, AJ. We can always count on your math.
Hive! Whoa! Almost a belly flop.
Keeping our rivers clean is everyone's job. Respect the environment.
Another successful mission. Time to blaze a trail back home. See you next time! Let's get blazing!
Monster math.